Hello student, good morning to all of you. Chapter number 2, Microorganisms, Friend and Foe. Standard 8. First point is microorganisms and where do microorganisms live? First point, microorganisms. There are other living organisms around us which we normally cannot see. They are called microorganisms or microbes. For example, you might have observed that during the rainy season, most bread gets spoiled and its surface gets covered with greenish white patches. Yes? The first, what is microorganisms? Microorganisms or microbes is a microscopic organisms which may exist in its single cell form or in a colony of cells. Examples of microorganisms includes bacteria, algae, protozoa, and microscopic animals such as the dust mite. Microorganisms live in waters, in soil, and on the skin and in the digestive tract of animals. Okay? These microorganisms or microbes are so small in size that they cannot be seen with the unaided eyes. Microorganisms are classified into 4 major groups. These groups are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and some algae. Some of these microorganisms, such as a fungus that grow on bread, can be seen with a magnifying glass, and others cannot be seen without the help of microscope. That is why these are called microorganisms. These are called microorganisms or microbes. Okay. Microorganisms are classified into 4 major groups. First, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and algae. Okay. Next is viruses. Viruses are also microscopic but are different from other microorganisms. Common ultimate like cold, influenza, and most coughs are caused by viruses. Serious diseases like polio and chickenpox are caused by viruses. Diseases like dysentery and malaria are caused by protozoa. Various typhoids and tuberculosis are bacterial disease. The first, viruses. Viruses are microorganisms that is smaller than bacterium that cannot grow or reproduce apart from a living cell. For example of viral illnesses range from the common cold, which can be caused by one of the rhinoviruses, and other to AIDS, which is caused by HIV. Viruses may contain either DNA or RNA as their genetic materials. The serious diseases like polio and chickenpox are also caused by viruses. Dysentery and malaria are also caused by protozoa, and typhoid and tuberculosis are bacterial disease. Okay. First, bacteria. Bacteria are the plurals of the bacteriums, which are microscopic one-cell organisms. They are found everywhere and can be harmful as in infections, or they can be beneficial as in decompositions. Okay, this is a bacteria. Examples of bacteria: spiral bacteria and Rhodes bacteria. This is the examples of bacteria. Okay. What is algae? Algae is a diverse group of aquatic organisms that have the ability to conduct photosynthesis. Certain algae are familiar to most of people for seaweeds, ponds, crumbs, or the algae blooms in lakes. The examples of algae is Pseudomonas. Second one is Spiroxera is examples of the algae. Okay. Next is Protozoa. Parasitic single cell organisms that can be divided only within a host organisms is called a protozoa. For example, malaria is caused by the protozoa. Some examples of protozoa: amoeba, parameciums are examples of the protozoa. Okay. Next is fungi. Fungi are multicellular physiotrophic organisms. These organisms, together with bacteria, are the main force for decomposition on Earth. Fungi is a very wide group which includes molds, mushrooms, aids, etc. Some examples of fungi is bread molds, penicilliums is examples of fungi. Okay. Next, viruses. Virus cause many common human infection and are also responsible for a number of rare diseases. For example, of viral illness range from the common cold, which can be caused by one of the rhinoviruses, or to AIDS, which is caused by HIV. Virus may contain either DNA or RNA as their genetic materials. Okay. This is where do microorganisms live? And you already learned about some these microorganisms in class 6 and 7. Yes, na? The first point, microorganisms may be single cell like bacteria, some algae and protozoa, or multicellular such as many algae and fungi. They live in all types of environment, ranging up ice cold climate to hot spring and desert to Marshall land. They are also found inside the bodies of animals, including human. Microorganisms are the smallest living organisms. They are everywhere in soil, river, plants, animals, tap water, on your keyboard, on your pillow, in your body. Some of microorganisms live with us and inside our bodies. Single cellular microorganism is bacteria, some algae and protozoa, and multicellular microorganisms, algae and fungi. Okay. And microorganisms live all types of environments: ice cold climate, hot springing and desert. Okay, all type of environment are suitable for microorganisms.